Today we're gonna show you kung paano ba mag-terminate or mag-punch down sa patch panel. First, we need the UTP cable. Either Cat5 or Cat6 is fine. Then, the punch down tool. Now, let's start off with cutting the skin off of the UTP cable using a crimping tool. Then let's arrange it according to its color coding, so it will be easier to put into the patch panel. Now, it won't be too hard to put it in order, because the patch panel already has a sticker on it guiding what color to put. Now, it should look like this.
Okay, next is what you're going to do is to remove the excess of the cable. You can use the punch down tool or you can use scissors. So, ayan. That's me doing my job, removing the excess. You need to punch down hard so it will remove or it will cut off the excess. And then here you can use the scissors so you can cut off the excess easily. And that's it. That's how you do it. It's very easy. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.